Hey guys, right now we're going to a new pond.
Look at all those fish.
Dude, yeah, that's a good school. Yeah. But we're not gonna fish here. We're gonna go somewhere over there. My other pond's over there where I can't catch crap for my life because I suck. But yeah, hopefully I'm looking for a new species in that pond over there. What are you looking for?
Some bass.
Yeah, just some bass.
With my top water.
With this top water lure, the popper. And now let's just see how this goes.
Yeah.
So this is the pond. Austin has already been getting a ton of bites. I'm still trying to put line onto my bait caster, and that's a, look at that monster gill.
So big.
Dude. And we're getting eaten alive by gnats. That little log looks like some good cover for me. And yeah, we're gonna just start recording this. Gosh, I need to put some line on my bait caster. This spot looks...
Sorry, Snoopy. You can't go with us. The dogs aren't allowed on the school bus.
The baby turtle started charging towards that. I would have laughed.
I just caught another fish.
Dang, Austin's been catching fish.
This one isn't even freaking trying, bro. Can I put it in front of the camera?
Yeah. Little gill. Little gill.
Oh!
Gotta get that off. So
we had to get out of there, dude.
yeah, it's like
So
100 and something degrees and we're dying, so we just decided to come to this little creek and just sit under the shade because we're dying out here.
So the water's so cold, dude. I love it.
I want to drink it.
Yeah.
Dude,
We didn't bring any water, any food.
because we're smart.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's basically that. So
We just found a snake.
yeah, there he is. He's yellow and black. If you know what kind of snake it is, leave it down in the comments section. I have no idea what kind of snake it is. Oh, it's moving his tongue. I'm gonna back up. Should we try to catch it?
I don't know what kind of snake that is, though.
Me neither. That looks so cool.
Alright, just place it right on its head.
Where
Like,
is he? Where is he? Dude. Oh,
there. He's coming towards you.
Oh, he's shot. He's shooting. Oh, frick. That hurt.
Where'd he go?
He went under this brush.
I'm gonna go grab the camera. So the snake just shot into there. He's over there trying to find it. Gonna look through here.
That snake is gone.
Someone forgot to close the bait box. Oh my gosh.
Dude, it's everywhere. Oh my gosh.
What is up, guys? We just got done taking our break. So we're about to head out right now to the Inneree River, which is like 10 miles away, I'd say. 10 miles of just full trekking through the forest.
Alright guys, so this is a update to a river expedition so far.
Yeah.
We're at what we call Tennessee. This isn't the river that we're going to, but it's pretty close. We still have like 2 miles though, so yeah.
This is an update. Right now we're under this bridge, which is, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We're taking a break.
There's cars on top of us.
Yeah. We just caught an American bullfrog. We let him go. We're about a mile and a half away. So we gotta just keep trekking. Look what we have to get through. Somehow we're gonna have to freaking, I don't know.
Look at them shoes.
I know, dude. Look at.
Oh gosh. Alright, so yeah. So this kid was too scared to cross the road. So now we can't cross because the cars are coming non-stop. Make a run for it! Yeah! Nice.
Got it. Alright, we're here. What is up, guys? We are here at the Inner River. And trying to catch us some fish with a trout bait. We're right under this fabulous noisy bridge. But yeah, this is our little setup here. So great. This is like the perfect little holder for a fishing pole. And then we got the camera case and bait. Oh crap. Oh my. We are thigh deep in water. We are now, whew, we're yeah, butt deep, you know? Oh my lord. Oh, so cold. Alright, so we're trying to find a spot to fish. Whoa, jeez. So we got Bonito or Gordon over there. Going back to get our bait box. See you guys in just a second. Finally caught our first fish.
I have no idea what, I think it's a bluegill.
Yeah, it's very colorful. Very colorful. But we changed our
Tactic.
yeah, and see we're using this bait now.
We're going for bass.
Yeah. So we'll see. We'll come back if we catch any more.
Okay. Release.
Bye-bye.
Like me just standing right here, and then that's it. Dude, right here.
This crap is spooky. It's so scary. Look at this bamboo though.
Dude, and then when the car flies by on the road, you can feel it through these things. Okay, let's go explore.
It's soft.
With all the limited resources we have.
Yeah, we literally all we have is a camera and fishing poles.
So at the... I'm sorry.
That was my knee.
That was a thorn on me. We are walking through what seems to be a farm. So guys, at the moment we hear an eagle. We don't know where it's coming from though. So we're gonna try to find out. Dude, oh!
Holy crap! Dude! That just freaking launched a tree out of the sky. What?
I
He's
see him.
throwing crap.
Dude, I see him.
Oh, there he is. What the heck
Oh
is he
my
doing?
gosh, that's beautiful.
So beautiful.
Come on, go into the open so I can see it. Oh.
Oh. Oh my.
He's making that noise, it's so cool.
I don't think it's an eagle though. I think it's like a hawk.
Hawks make that noise?
Maybe I don't know.
Oh dude, look, it landed.
Where?
Right there in that tree. That
Oh, I see him.
he's somewhere in there.
There he is. What is he trying to do?
I have no idea.
He's probably hunting. It smells like a zoo.
Dude, that's a big goat. Austin the goat whisperer.
No.
I think this guy's an evil farm scientist. He's crossbreeding stuff. That is a crossbreed of a horse and a goat.
I know. Taking a break before we try and make our way back home, but I'm so tired.
Yeah.
This day tomorrow we're having a new video. We're not releasing that information to you guys yet, but it's gonna be sick. You're gonna really love it. So make sure you like and subscribe to both of our channels, obviously.
Yes.
Noah Bolts and Gordon.